What is up? I'm Steven. Welcome to my channel where I want to show you how to create the best Instagram Reels and TikToks for free to really blow up your social media. And today we want to take a look at this insane video right here by Jonas, a Brazilian creator who is seemingly jumping over a monument. He posted it to his Instagram account and it completely blew up. I posted it to mine, it blew up as well. So today I want to show you how to create this effect. All you will need for this is your phone and the free version of the Capcut app, which is a video editing app. So let's head over to the studio. I'll show you how to do it. For the shooting location, make sure to choose a building with a flat roof and then ground in front of it. Then set up your tripod with the phone attached to it. Make sure the angle is right so that there's some sky over the roof and then also enough ground to stand on in front of it. Switch your phone to the wide angle mode, hit record, and then first record the building only. Then go in front of it. You might want to look around and then you want to jump up. Make sure you jump high enough so that it looks like the feet are over the roof. That is all you have to film. Now, welcome to the studio where I want to show you how we edit those videos. So what we want to do is open the videos in the Capcut app. And for the first clip here, we have the building only. And then in the second part, you have the clip with the person. So first we want to select the building clip here and then we scroll over to where it says overlay. This drops it to the second layer and then we want to select mask, horizontal, and now invert so that the body is shown. And now you want to line up that mask with the roof of the building, that straight line right there. That's perfect. Now if you play that back, you can see that you jump over the roof, and exactly when your feet are over the roof, that's where you want that building clip to end. So you're going to trim that to right there so that when you're landing, your feet are in front of the building and it looks like you're jumping over the roof. Once it looks like this, all you have to do is export the video and that's it. That's what you get. Here it is. And that is exactly how it's done. I hope I'll see you create these videos on your Instagram soon. And if you want to learn more about mobile video editing, I've created this free course linked under this video for beginners to just kind of get familiar with the Capcut app, get familiar with the basics of mobile video editing. Make sure to check that out. So then I'll see you in the next video for more professional edits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.